Good morning, my name is Cynthia Ibsavana and I'm from Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. My ID number is 9603171251420001 and my course is Bachelor in Early Childhood Education. The purpose of the speech is to demonstrate to all of you about how to know that your pet or your dog is pregnant and what to do when they are confirmed pregnant. When your dog is in the first few weeks of its pregnancy, it can be hard to notice anything different about the behavior and physical demeanor. But during the time, they may vomit or have a decreased appetite. On average, dogs can be pregnant for approximately 62 to 64 days. However, the exact dates will vary depending on your dog's breed and other factors. These are some signs that your dog may be pregnant. 1. Weight gain, swollen stomach, increase in appetite, gets tired easier, irritability, more affectionate, vomiting in the first few weeks, and decrease in appetite in first few weeks. What to do when you think your dog is pregnant? The first thing you need to do is, if you believe your dog is pregnant, is call your vet. When your dog has been pregnant for approximately 4 weeks, your veterinarian will be able to perform an ultrasound to confirm the pregnancy. When 35 days have passed, they may also be able to perform blood tests. When your dog's pregnancy is confirmed, there are several things you need to do to keep them healthy, such as number 1, take your dog to vet. You should take your dog to the vet to make sure they are healthy during their pregnancy and don't have any condition they can pass down to their puppies. This includes a fecal exam to check for intestinal parasites. Do not give your dog any over-the-counter dewormers because they could be harmful to her and the puppies. If your dog's pregnancy is planned, make sure they are up to date on their vaccinations and parasite prevention before they become pregnant. Number 2, feed your dog proper nutrition. When your dog has been pregnant for about 4 weeks, you should put them on a high-calorie diet that contains the nutrients they need to be healthy. There are some high-quality brands of food designed for pregnant dogs. Your vet will also be able to recommend the dog food that will suit you and your dog best. Do not feed your dog large breed puppy foods because they often don't include a lot of the nutrients your pregnant pups require, such as calcium and phosphorus. Since your dog won't have as much room in its belly, it's usually recommended to feed them smaller meals more frequently. It's actually the same like how humans pregnant during their pregnancy. Number 3, give them a comfortable nesting place. Towards the end of your dog's pregnancy, make a comfortable, warm place for them to nest that is away from any excitement and other pets. You also need to make sure there is enough space for them to come and go as they wish. Number 4, keep them away from other dogs. 3 weeks before they give birth and 3 weeks after, make sure your dog stays isolated and away from other pets to prevent them from contracting the herpes virus. This infection isn't as dangerous for adult dogs, but it can be life-threatening and deadly for puppies. Number 5, monitor their temperature. You can tell if your dog is going to give birth within 24 hours by checking its temperature rectally. In this time frame, their temperature will drop below 100 degrees Celsius. Number 6, when your dog is giving birth. When your dog starts giving birth, it will have mild contractions for about 6 to 12 hours. This stage can make them restless. Your dog may start wandering in and out of its nesting area or dig, pant, and vomit. Then they will start having stronger, more frequent contraction that will lead to the birth of puppies. Your dog will strain for about 10 to 15 minutes before they start giving birth to their puppies. They should have one puppy every 45 to 60 minutes. However, sometimes they will take a break and wait up to 4 hours between puppies. They can give birth to puppies either head or tail first. Neither is abnormal. After your dog gives birth to each puppy, they will pass fetal membranes, which are greenish black colored masses. Watch your dog and make sure they are not straining for more than an hour or taking breaks that are longer than 4 hours. If this is the case, you will need to take them to the vet immediately. And lastly, remember health signs to watch for after your dog has given birth. Number 1 is you need to watch the sign if your dog having a fever, vaginal discharge, not producing milk, infirm or infected breast tissue, lethargy, vomiting, and decreasing appetite. This is my demonstration today. Thank you for watching.